guys, welcome back, hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be bringing you along to the shop with me and filming a behind the scenes green build video. So first let's grab a coffee and then head to the shop. Ding dong! Good morning, no swearing, we're live. So this is Bobby, owner of Bravo Mike Media, setting up the lights, making the magic happen. And then we've got a Nomad. This is a C-frame. CCs aren't due until May, so we're building a C-frame up, and it's an exciting day because it is in fact my bike. First things first, lighting. Lighting makes the perfect shot. Purple. I like that. That's the lighting selected. We're going for the blue and pink contrast for this build. Heaters are on. Beautiful build kit. Big difference for this build. One up. Excited to see those on a build. First NLC build. Sneak peek. Looking hot. Look at that stunner. It is a C-frame, but we've got the X2 shock in it. Finished off with a beautiful 38s. One up, it's nearly done. Bob's having a lie down. Right there, Bobby.
Mate.
So we are currently 4.5 hours into the film process. Bob and Gerry are in the workshop smashing through the content, and I've got to say it is looking awesome. I'm really excited to show you the final build. It's exciting. Look at that. The final pieces are going down, and then we'll reveal new Cruz Nomad. Wait a second there, boy. Don't be rushing. Precision is king.
Right, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Action. the final reveal. Woo-hoo! It's not centre? Oh, nice one, Gerry. Hey? Look at that cutie pie. Hey? Look at that cutie pie.
yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Smile. Yeah, that's a nice touch, that, isn't it? They do look awesome. They look better than Shroud, don't they? Gorgeous. So there you have it. The full build is now finally done. 7 hours, 30 minutes it took to do from the setting up to the full film. And then Bob has got to go back now, edit it and clip it all together. And the full clip will be going live on Sunday, the 29th of January. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys. Take it easy. And what better way to finish the day than heading to the local skate park, LS10, for a little shred. Peace out, everyone, and have a good day.
Yo.